This is what COVID isolation looks like in the Faulkner household. 3 out of 4 family members have tested positive to COVID-19, which includes 2 children aged 8 and 10 years old.
They've had a variety of symptoms ranging from high temperatures, coughs, runny nose, body aches, tummy aches, off their food, lethargic.
Xavier is immuno-compromised and Isabella has asthma. They waited 3 days for the COVID at home kits.
It's a parent's worst nightmare, and since COVID started, it's been my biggest fear, and never thought, especially this early on, this is where we would be.
The Rugby family are among more than 20,000 Tasmanians now impacted by COVID-19. Tasmania has recorded 2,223 new cases. 10 people are in hospital, 4 are being treated specifically for COVID symptoms. The state now has 6,509 active cases. Of the new cases, almost half were self-reported through rapid antigen tests. Late today, Public Health confirmed a child was receiving care for COVID-19 at the Royal Hobart Hospital. Oxygen is being administered to help in their recovery. Public health care services continue to be affected across the state after more than 200 hospital staff either tested positive for COVID-19 or were considered a close contact.
We asked question on question about their preparedness, and they said they had enough staff, that they were recruiting. They're still training people right now. They're still recruiting.
Today saw a noticeable improvement in waiting times for tests.
I think just only for half an hour. Yeah, not that bad.
I think it's been really good here now. I mean, everything is really organized, for us to get our tests.
The queue is flowing smoothly now. It was a very different situation first thing this morning. People were seen lining up from 4:30 a.m. before the testing site even opened and faced an average wait time of nearly 2 hours. The wave of COVID-19 is creating more challenges for small businesses in what should be a busy time of the year. Sarah Jordan Ross has had 7 cancellations this week alone. That's on top of the 53 she had to contend with in December.
If somebody doesn't show up, we still have to pay the therapists, we still have to cover the rent. All of those expenses don't go away.
The state government says grants of up to $1,500 are available for Tasmanian businesses for counselling and advice. But Labor says it doesn't cover employees who are forced to isolate while they await a COVID test or assist in the current downturn.
It's crickets here in the Quadrant Mall. Launceston has never been this quiet at this time of year, and that's impacting businesses now.
One cafe in Wynyard has closed to give staff a break after a man decided to abuse the staff and then smash the front window because he was asked to follow the mandatory rule of putting his mask on. And rising cases are causing headaches for parents who rely on childcare or school holiday programs. Children who have been exposed to the virus are unable to return to care until day 15. Liz Gwynn, ABC News.